Ever tried to upload an image for an important submission like a job application, a government form, or an online profile, only to realize your image is just too big or doesn't fit the required dimensions? Frustrating, right? What if you could instantly resize any photo to an exact pixel size or file limit you need, all without losing quality or wrestling with complicated software? Today, I'm showing you a totally free online tool that lets you do just that. Just upload your image, set the exact dimension and file size limit, click convert, and you are done. No Photoshop, no downloads, no headache. Stick with me till the end to see exactly how it works step by step. And don't forget to check the description and pin comment for the website link so you can test it yourself. This is DigiWhisper and I'm Sai, your digital product enthusiast. Let's dive in. Image Resizer is the software I am demonstrating today. It's a free software, but they have also free plan. If you need bulk amount of use case of this tool, then you can also go to their subscription plan. But this is completely free for the light user or the people who really need to convert their image. It has a daily limit. I don't know what the daily limit is, but I think it is good to go for everyone who need to resize their image. So let's see how this tool works. So this one is my image, and currently the file format or image size is 58 kilobyte. And the dimension is 512:512. But I need this image to resize 200 by 200 dimension and the file size below 20 KB. So this is a very specific limit. I want to do this by this software. So I'm uploading my image here. So image has been uploaded and now I want to set my limit. So here are a couple of options available. If you need to keep your original image ratio tick, then you don't need to click here. Like I want to keep my aspect ratio same as the original image. If it is 200 and 200 by 200 is good to go. But if you need a custom size of your image, then you need to uncheck this box. And now I can like set a custom size of my image. This is very simple. But if I need to keep my original image aspect ratio same, then just I need to click here and it will automatically, when you put one of the portion, it will automatically set the another portion. So I need to set width 200 and height 200 and background is okay, no problem. I don't need to make it transparent. So I'm unchecking it. And my second limit is it should be within 20 KB. So I set my limit and now I want to click export button. After clicking export that button, it is converting to my custom size what I was looking for. And see, the image current size is 18 KB and the dimension is 200 and 200. And I can download it now to check my image. And see, everything is good. No problem, no issue. So this way you can use this tool to resize your image dimension, at the same time image size. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you feel this video helps you, you can subscribe my channel to get more videos, and I am trying to give a lot of important tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Thank you so much.